interview. First of all, introduce yourself.
One second, sir. Hello, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Introduce myself. Myself, Yogita Ashok Chauhan. I have complete in MSc Computer Science. And I have 2 year experience in Python, Django, SQL. I currently am working in Cyber Softtech Private Limited. That's all.
Okay, great. So let's start with the technical round then. I'm going to ask you several questions. Please make sure you're going to be correct over there. Okay. First of all, tell me the difference between list and tuple.
List is mutable. Tuple is immutable. A list is square bracket, and tuple is round bracket. Not change in tuple, but list is changeable, and tuple is a less memory, and list is more memory.
Okay. Then what is decorator? And explain it with an example.
Decorate is just a function that take another function as a argument, and some kind of functionality, and return another function.
Write down. Can you please write down the code of decorator? One of any other anything you can write.
Sorry. Can I
Sure.
share my
Yeah.
screen?
Yeah.
So 1 second.
Mhm.
Okay.
What happened?
Yes. Slide drive. Oh. Sorry, sir. 2 minutes.
You want to minimize the screen? Go at the right upper corner of your laptop. Hmm. Why it is showing widescreen only?
So can you share my screen, sir?
Yes, it's not visible, but
Not visible.
yes. Okay, write down the code and paste it in the chat box.
Okay, sir. 1 second. Okay, 1 second, sir. Chat box. Okay. Okay, sir. Dot make function function sorry, sir.
Hmm.
Print So first of all, declare in define in make preter functions and define in inner function. Then add in sprint. Then uh, uh, then it means function means call the call original function. Function is a call original function.
Okay, let's jump on to the next question. What are the HTTP methods supported in REST API?
Step by supported in REST API. I don't
Okay,
remember.
no problem. No problem. How memory managed in Python?
Python memory managing.
Hmm.
Manage kind of involves the private heap containing the all Python objects object and data to structure interpreter take a care in Python heap and that programs heap and then programmer the allocate the heap source from Python object done carry Python memory management.
Okay. What is init keyword in Python?
Init keyword init keyword is uh, to init first file or second is function. So there's nothing mining now. My
Next is if we have one employee database table, okay, there is first name, last name, then their designation, and something like their salary. If we want to extract the data, those starts with A from the first name. What would be the query for that? Did you get my question?
not
Your voice quite breaking up. Did you get my question? What exactly I'm trying to say? We have a database table, employee. In that employee, we have several columns like first name, last name, their designation, and their salary. So we need to extract the data whose first name starts with A. What would be the query for that?
A. Yes, chili and so first of all, creating a database and
That's not my question. We don't need to create the database. I just want the data whose first name starts with only A.
okay.
I just need query to extract that data only, bus. Nothing else I want. Do you know the query or we should jump to the next question?
Next question.
Do you know the command to create the project in Django?
Django dash admin start project and project name.
Okay. And for the app?
Python manage.py start app and app name.
How we can create super user in Django?
Super user. Python manage.py super user. Create a super user. Then enter a username. Enter a email ID.
Can you explain the Django architecture?
Okay. Django follows software design pattern called MVT, Model View Template. It's based on the Model View Control Architecture, means MVC, and slightly different from the MVC pattern. Maintain its own convention, so the control the handling software, framework itself. Model means handle the database. Edit and curate a records database. Presentations layers. And view is execute the business logic and file and interact with model to carry data and render a template. And the develop provide the model, the view, and the template, the map, its URL, and finally Django server, it's to use user. That's okay.
What is the default database in Django?
Default database. SQL default database.
Difference between authentication and authorization.
Authentication, authorization. No, sir. Not reminding me.
What is middleware in Django?
Django. Question. So question. What is question?
Is a middleware in Django?
Middleware in Django.
What are signals in Django?
Signals.
What is serializer and deserializer?
Serializer is a remaining serialization. I read, but
Okay, let it be. What is self keyword in Python?
self keyword in Python is a self means create in
Do you know any one of the program for the self keyword?
yes, sir.
If you
First,
can write it down
write down.
in the chat box itself. Okay, let it be. I have commented in the chat box. Just see that and draw this pattern using Python program. Have you seen this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It also Yogita, you just write down the code and paste it in the chat box. I'll be taking Shantanu's interview. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And I'll let you know what would be the progress of your interview. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually write down a
Mm,
program completely.
okay. Okay, then bye. Uh, I'll contact you again. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.